It's a landmark ruling that could potentially set a significant precedent. An Ontario court has ruled that Premier Doug Ford must release portions of his personal cell phone call logs, an order that the Premier is refusing to comply with. You could call it the Ford family trademark, handing out a personal cell phone number directly to Ontario residents.
No one in the world, my position, gives out their cell number, and I do, because I want to get the heartbeat and the pulse of the people.
While the Premier routinely fields calls from constituents, he's also spoken to heads of companies, other premiers and prime ministers, and members of the Trump administration. Under provincial law, those calls are considered government business and subject to transparency rules.
It's the people's business to know what their politicians are doing in government with the money that they send them every year.
For more than 3 years now, Global News has been locked in a transparency battle with the Premier's office over Doug Ford's cell phone records. And now an Ontario court has ordered the Premier to release his phone logs, arguing they are government records and shielding them from the public undermines democracy.
Yeah, we're gonna appeal.
The Premier is pushing back, defying the order outright, even the calls related to government business.
No one influences Doug Ford, I can assure you that. What is right for the people, that's my decision. That's what I'm going to focus on. And I would say that 90 some odd percent, I don't know exactly, are all personal. People have issues.
Critics say they aren't buying the Premier's excuse.
There are a lot of people who influence not just this Premier, but premiers who came before him. And I think it's important that when a Premier is making a big decision, and that people are lobbying him, we have a lobbyist law, they're calling him, they're saying, we don't want you to do this, or we want you to do this, that we should know who's calling.
Lawyers for Premier Doug Ford had argued in court that going through all of those call logs would take months, an onerous task, they argued. They also said it would be a massive invasion of the Premier's privacy. An appeal on behalf of Premier Doug Ford has yet to be filed. At Queen's Park, I'm Colin. Back to you.